Here are the 7 awesome beauty tips to help you enhance your natural beauty. Before we get started, please consider subscribing for latest uploads. Tip number 1. Always carry a lip balm. Lip balm is probably the most versatile product ever made, and it is mandatory to have one with you at all times. Apart from the obvious, lip balm has some amazing beauty uses that will leave you pleasantly surprised. From moisturizing your cuticles, calming down frizzy hair or cowlicks to highlighting your face, this little hero does a lot more than just protect your lips from chapping. A tinted lip balm can be used to add a slight pop of color to your face when applied as a blush to your cheeks. A non-tinted lip balm can be lightly patted into cheekbones and the bridge of your nose to make your skin glow. Tip number 2. Layer skincare products the right way. This beauty tip for face will definitely change your skincare game and make the products work more effectively. Think of your skin as a sponge that wants to soak up all the good stuff that you give it in the form of skincare products. But in order for your skin to perfectly absorbing everything, it is important to layer the skincare products properly. Always start by applying thinner, watery textured products first and leave the thickest, creamiest products for the end. This helps the skin because heavy creams and oils help seal all the products that have been applied prior. Tip 3. Keep your hands off your face as much as you can. To avoid touching your face as much as possible, has to be one of the top 10 beauty tips ever. Your hands come in contact with a lot of things through the day and end up collecting a lot of dirt, grime and germs. Each time you touch your face for anything, you are leaving behind a lot of germs, creating a minefield of potential zits. Avoid touching your face without thoroughly washing your hands with an antibacterial soap. Nope, sanitizers don't count here. Tip number 4. Never give sunscreen a miss. Although this is one advice you've probably heard 1,000 times, not to give sunscreen a miss is one of the best beauty tips you're about to receive. Wear a sunscreen every day irrespective of the season or whether you're indoors or outdoors. Besides protecting your skin against the harmful UVA and UVB rays of the sun, it is also the best anti-aging tool you would ever use. A broad-spectrum sunscreen protects your skin against wrinkles, pigmentation, dark spots as well as skin cancer. Pick a sunscreen that has a non-comedogenic formula. Tip number 5. Drink the right kind of liquid. As much as this sounds strange, drinking the right kind of liquid is extremely helpful. It is quite tempting to grab our hard-to-wake-up-without cup of strong morning coffee. Is it really helping your skin in any way? According to dermatologists, choosing the right beverage can actually turn out to be a game-changer for your skin. Drink about half a liter of water every morning to brighten, oxygenate, and hydrate your skin. Drinking a glass of fresh green juices with lots of veggies every day for breakfast is another great way to transform your skin in a matter of days. Tip number 6. Remove your makeup without fail. If you're someone who skips removing their makeup more often than not, then you may want to write this beauty tip down and paste it next to your bed as a gentle reminder. At the end of a long, tiring day, it can be super tempting to jump right into bed by just washing your face using a face wash. But this is the perfect gateway for bad skin. It is important to thoroughly clean and remove every last bit of makeup from your face before you go to sleep, as failing to do so will clog your pores and give rise to bad zits and acne. Tip number 7. Follow a healthy diet. This one amazing beauty tip for face is perhaps going to change your skincare game for the better. All your topical creams and serums will take longer to show results if you don't pair it up with a healthy diet. Good skin and hair should always consist of a nutrition-rich diet that is an excellent mix of fruits, vegetables, nuts, cereals, and pulses. Increase the intake of raw or boiled food. Include as many fruits and veggies in your meals as possible by choosing to have salads, smoothies, and juices. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing, hit the thumbs up and turn on the bell icon so that you'll not miss any other videos from this channel.